How is December 2024 for all zodiacs? Now, the scenario is Saturn has just come out of retrograde. Jupiter is retrograde in Rohini. Mercury is retrograde in Scorpio. And Mars is retrograde in Cancer. So many retrogrades. So, all the planets giving different type of energies. They are not giving their original type of energies. So, which are for some, because Jupiter is in Taurus, so those who are born in Taurus, it may create more problem. And Saturn has just become Margi, so he will create problems for Aries, Leo and Scorpio. And in Scorpio, Mercury is retrograde and combust, so he may not give the actual potentiality. His potentiality will not be at the fullest. And above everything, Mars is retrograde in Cancer, that creating lethargic energies for the entire system. So now we will go in detail how it will fare for each zodiac sign. Well, first, we will do a tarot reading for all the zodiacs, how this time period is there for December 2024. Aries, December 2024 for you, carved for finances and job, career and all. You have got the card King of Wands. Multiple tasking is indicated, getting money resources from several resources. If you are a multi marketing person or you have multiple source of income, this time period will be very good. This card demands that you do multitasking and do you can take risk to do multitasking and all, or multi business and all. This is appropriate time that you can take risk. For love and relationship, you have got the card Ace of Swords. This card says from long time you were somewhat subjugated because of your spouse nature, but now universe is giving you the upper hand. Now the relationship will go smoothly. You will have upper hand. You will have the last word. So that is the energies for Arians. And as far as general well-being is concerned, you have got the card Two of Wands. Two of Wands indicates that you are in a daydreaming position now. You are thinking about something which is not in your hand. So you think that is very good. You think the other side of the lake is green, but it's not like that. You have to maintain what you want to achieve in life. What you have, from that only you have to do. Don't dream all those things which are not going to happen. For Taurians, for your career and finances, December 2024, the first card for you for career and finances, Page of Pentacles. Status quo will be there. It won't be very high or it won't deteriorate, so things will move as per your expectation. But if you are in quick business and all, this is not the time. And as far as love and relationship is concerned, Six of Swords card. This card says somewhere inside you there is a pain. You want to go away very far from the place you are staying because some disturbances in your marital life. But this card says that now as Six of Swords has come, it can give you a temporary relief that you go in some probation or you go travel and get rid of all this mental stress. So that is the energies for Taurians as far as relationship is concerned. And in general well-being, you have got the card Star. This card promises us that the future is excellent for you. You can plan for your future, long-term investments and long-term works which can give rewards after few years. Such type of business or such type of investments is really good. Future is bright for you guys, so nothing to worry. And for Gemini to December 2024, how will be? First card for your career and finances, you have got the card Four of Cups. This card says the universe is giving you some opportunity, some job opportunity or some business opportunity, or someone is coming to do partnership with you, but you are apprehensive. You don't want. You have some other ideas in your mind, so you are losing. You may lose the opportunity. So whenever something is offered to you this time period, it is for your own good and development. So try not to reject those offers and be positive. And as far as your love and relationship is concerned, you have got the card Nine of Pentacles. This card says that you are rewarded for what you have done. Universe is giving you the complete handover of your hard days coming as a gift now. Now reward is coming for what all hard work you have done. Your people understanding you, your near and dear recognizing your value. All this is indicated, but provided you be little bit grounded, this time period can make you very egoistic or self-centered. So both of them you have to take care. And as far as general well-being is concerned, you have got the card Six of Pentacles. This card is a reminder from universe that in good times try to do charity, at bad times it will help you. So that is the message of this card. So now it is good time for you guys, so try to do more and more charity. Moreover, Rohini Nakshatra card is also Six of Pentacles, and Jupiter is retrograde there, and Jupiter is your now is in your 12th house. So lot of expenditure towards religious things or helping others, philanthropic works is also indicated for you. So but doing that is always good for your well defined and well programmed future. If you want, you do charity at this time. Getting an opportunity to do charity itself is a great thing. It is a different kind of theory that it goes. I will explain it to you some other time, but now I can tell you, doing lots and lots of charity will help you to have a secure and happy future. Cancer. For Cancer, your career and finance is ruled by Eight of Swords. Excessive expenditure indicated. You are not able to cope up with the expenditure. Income is low, outflow is more. So you want to take some loans and all, but this is not the situation to do loans and all, because now if you take loans, it will be for a long time. You will be crushed beneath the burden of loans. So for some more time, you be patient and let the things cool down, then you can think about it. Now it is the time that you keep quiet, because now the situation is as you can't do anything to overcome your financial outflow. Relationship. For relationship, Cancer, you have got the card High Priestess. This represents Moon, your zodiac ruler. So this creates up and down in your heart. Mostly now you will be very motivated to do many things, but people can't understand you. You want to do something that you are not able to express. That also creates some problem. Be open. Be according to the rules and books, so that you can't be blamed for anything. Getting new ideas is very good, but it should be dharmic and sattvic. That is the word for you now. And for general well-being, you have got the card Ten of Wands. This card says that you will be putting lot of effort, but the outcome will be little less than what you expect. Burdens, responsibilities, workload, everything will be more, and you will become a workaholic and keep on doing. That's good for a certain extent, but not that you spoil your health. You should take care of your general well-being, your time for your family, and also your own time. You should make it out. Leaving everything and doing only work is not recommended for you. So that is the word for you guys. For Leo, for you, 2024 December, how you will fare. First, the card is for career and finance. You have got the card Ace of Wands. From long time, you were not able to curb your expenditure. You didn't know where the money is going out. You were not aware of things. A lot of unwanted expenditure you couldn't curb all these days. Now you will get the hold on your expenses. You will start savings more. You will know the truth, and you will take necessary steps to curb your outflow. And your love and relationship, you have got the card Lovers. Excellent card to get. This says that your partner will reciprocate to your love, and you will be getting good love and happiness, harmony at home. And also those who are searching for alliances, you will get a very good alliance that will be attracted towards you, and you may get married. This time period is as such, it's very good for getting married or getting into a relationship or agreeing for a partnership. For all these things, this time period is excellent. For general well-being, you have got the card Death card. This Death card doesn't mean practical death. This means that something in your life is going to come to an end. That may be your apprehensions, your belief on somebody, or some work you were doing which you didn't like, or something you were doing waste of time. That all will come to an end, and a new era will start coming in your life. So it is a welcome card for you guys. For Virgo, how 2024 December will be their first card for you for your career and finance. You have got the card Queen of Cups. This card says that now it is the appropriate time for doing money manifestation rituals so that you can attract lot of money. This card says that you will be attracting money and get more money in life, more understanding between partners, work partners or job front. You will have good name and fame, good understanding from others, and also a lot of money coming your way. Doing money manifestation is excellent for you now. Love and relationship, you have got the card Five of Pentacles. Focusing too much on your career can bring toll in your family life. Family life, you will feel that no one is giving you that importance. You are completely all alone. That kind of cold behavior from your family is indicated. Support is not indicated. General well-being, you have got the card Three of Wands. This again is a manifestation card. You can put your mind, body and soul in something and manifest it. And now another card for manifestation you have got for finance. So now is the time, that excellent time, that you manifest some ritual with the help of some ritual and get manifestation done for your long dreams to come true. If you want any help from me, you can contact me on my phone number. Libra. For Librans, this 2024 December, how you will fare. First, the card for your career and finance. You have got the card Three of Pentacles. Family work, group work, community work, team work will all fetch. You will get support from one and all. Your subordinates and also your superiors both will help you. You will be completing your dream target. So all this is indicated. Excellent time period for Librans as far as career and finances is concerned. And relationship, you have got the card Eight of Cups. Relationship is not that fine now. It is creating some unwanted issues in your life. That is because you expect more but you don't get it from anyone. So you just want to have some peace of mind. So you want some space in your life. So that is indicated here. You may take a break, or you may need some time all alone for your own self to contemplate and come back. And general well-being, you have got the card King of Pentacles. You will be searching for your comfort zone, and you will be completely in your world, thinking your well-being, your job, your health, your thing. You may be neglecting other things, but on the whole, when we see, this month will go really well as you have expected, except for some few minor things because of non-understanding with your partner or spouse, that is indicated. Otherwise, general well-being, health, wealth, prosperity, everything will be excellent for you this month. Scorpio. For Scorpio, how 2024 December will be. The first card for your career and finance is Ace of Cups. Lot of emotions propping up in your mind. You want to do lot of things. You have more ideas coming in. Universe is blessing you with new ideas, new people, money. Will be your love and relationship. You have got the card Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune is the card of Jupiter, and Jupiter is in your 7th house in retrograde. You should be very careful. Retrograde planets have extreme excess power. So now it is coming in the 7th house and it is reversed. So what we can tell is, it is a good time to patch up, good time for reconciliation and bring changes. But otherwise, if you are adamant, you are not putting your fullest in your relationship, you just let things go, you are lazy or you are not caring. Now this time period will be very hard for you because your spouse will be expecting little more from you, and that may create lot of differences between couple. This time period, if you are going to neglect the feelings of your spouse, then there may be a permanent separation. Be careful, guys. And as far as general well-being is there, you have got the card Judgment. This card also says others are judging you very severely. You are not up to the mark of their sight, so they may tell lot of blames upon you, and that may tell upon your relationship. Be very careful, guys. Otherwise you may end up in a soup of water that will create lot of problem in your life. Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, how December 2024, you career and finance, you have got the card Temperance. This card says that there will be a balance and you need to be balanced. Don't do lot of expenditure, even though you get tempting offers getting in Black Friday or New Year end sale, Christmas sale. So many things are there. So you may end up shopping too much and get bankrupted. So this card reminds you that you should be careful in spending so that you can manage for your rainy days. Don't be extravagant at this time. And love and relationship, you have got the card World. This says that a lot of understanding between couple is indicated. There may be situation where you want to separate on mutual consent. That is also there, or sometimes you want to reconciliate. It depends totally upon which house, your seventh house, which falls, and it depends on your personal chart. Otherwise, generally, when we see for Sagittarius, this time is for reconciliation and coming together, or it may be understanding and going apart. Both are indicated for you. It depends totally on your personal chart. And as far as general well-being is concerned, you have got the card Three of Cups. Excellent card to get. You can go on vacation, celebration, and getting hearts together. So when this card has come, this card may be reconciliation, and that reconciliation can bring celebration in your life. That can be like that. So nothing to worry for you. Anyhow, we have to see adjacent cards to give you a perfect reading. And now for Capricorn, your card for your career and finances is you have got the card Chariot. From long time things were stagnant. Moreover, Chariot is the card of Cancer, and Mars is debilitated and retrograde there. So there may be some urge in your mind or in your heart that I want to achieve something, I want to do something, I need help. All this will come to you and you will get the support also. Chariot card says after long time things will start moving. So it's excellent card to get. And love and relationship, you have got the card Empress. Excellent card. Fructification of things, childbirth, fertility, and all are indicated. From long time you wanted child, that may be a dream for you. That dream can come true to you, and abundance and prosperity coming your way, that bringing lot of happiness in your relationship, and your love life is indicated. And general well-being, you have got the card Seven of Cups. You may be overwhelmed at times, so that you have to go for some healing modalities so that you can become calm. And also when you become calm, when things are out of control, you can judge properly. So going for some healing modalities are very important, or for a guided meditation also will help you this month. If you want any help from me, you can contact me on my number. Aquarius. For Aquarius, how 2024 December will fare. First, your career and finances is Page of Wands. What you expect that may not be there, but it will go well. You will be having lot of expectation. That expectation, you should not be harsh in doing that, or doing some impulsive things are not good for you, because so many retrograde planets here and there and all. So you have to be very careful in taking decision, but you will be having full of ideas in your mind. Implementing one by one in a slow phase is recommended. And love and relationship, the Emperor card, you will put your mind more than your heart. This card says though you want supremacy, and that may create some problem. Otherwise, if you are flexible, this time period will give you excellent family happiness and love happiness. And as far as general well-being is there, you have got the card Six of Wands. Success in life, success in love life, success in general life, good health, prosperity, abundance, everything you will get, but provided you are in a slower pace, that will help you to attain one by one. Don't do all things in one time, so that you are overwhelmed and you don't at all do anything. You may end up ending up everything. So don't do that. Do one at a time and you will get grand success. And Pisces, now for 2024 December, how you will fare. First card for your career and finance, you have got the card Five of Wands. This card says that your As far as your relation with your boss or your colleagues or your subordinates, you should be little bit careful. They may try to do smart things with you, and at the end of the time you may be yelling out at them. So try not to do all those things. Take care in the first instance so that you can avoid any unwanted situations in life. Love and relationship, you have got the card Nine of Swords. You are having some apprehension of your about your life or your partner or your spouse or something like that. So you keep on cribbing in that way, and that can create lot of problems. Everything is fake, everything is false. Any news you are getting about your spouse's behavior is not true. It is only a handwork of few people who don't like your relationship. So be careful. And as far as general well-being is concerned, you have got the card Seven of Wands. You will be fighting for your ideas to be approved by others. You may think that nobody is supporting you, but still be fighting. The end of the day, you will be a successful winner. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.